Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about NBkc. I've been getting a lot of questions about this bank recently, and I wanted to take some time to share my thoughts on it. Before we get into the details, I want to start by asking you a question. What does a betterment bank mean to you? For me, a betterment bank is one that is focused on helping its customers achieve their financial goals. This could mean anything from providing educational resources to helping customers save for retirement. NBkc is a relatively new bank, but it's already making a name for itself in the betterment space. They offer a variety of products and services that are designed to help customers reach their financial goals. So, is NBkc a betterment bank? In my opinion, yes. But let's take a closer look at what makes NBkc different from other banks. NBkc's products and services. NBkc offers a variety of products and services that are designed to help customers reach their financial goals. Here are a few of the most notable. NBkc Invest. This is NBkc's robo-advisor platform. It allows customers to create a personalized investment portfolio based on their risk tolerance and goals. NBkc Checking. This is a high-yield checking account that offers a competitive interest rate. NBkc Savings. This is a high-yield savings account that offers a competitive interest rate. NBkc Credit Card. This is a credit card that offers a variety of rewards and benefits. NBkc Mortgage. This is a mortgage product that offers competitive rates and terms. In addition to these products and services, NBkc also offers a variety of educational resources to help customers learn more about personal finance. This includes articles, videos, and webinars. What makes NBkc different? There are a number of things that make NBkc different from other banks. Here are a few of the most notable. NBkc is focused on helping customers reach their financial goals. This is evident in the products and services that they offer, as well as the educational resources that they provide. NBkc is committed to transparency and fairness. They have a number of policies in place to ensure that customers are treated fairly. NBkc is a customer-centric bank. They are always looking for ways to improve the customer experience. Is NBkc right for you? Whether or not NBkc is right for you will depend on your individual financial situation and goals. However, if you're looking for a bank that is focused on helping you reach your financial goals, NBkc is a good option to consider. Pros and cons of NBkc. Before you make a decision about whether or not to open an account with NBkc, it's important to weigh the pros and cons. Pros. NBkc is focused on helping customers reach their financial goals. NBkc is committed to transparency and fairness. NBkc is a customer-centric bank. NBkc offers a variety of products and services. NBkc provides educational resources to help customers learn more about personal finance. Cons. NBkc is a relatively new bank, so it doesn't have as long of a track record as some of its competitors. NBkc's fees can be higher than some other banks. Overall, I think NBkc is a great option for people who are looking for a bank that is focused on helping them reach their financial goals. They offer a variety of products and services, and they are committed to transparency and fairness. If you're considering opening an account with NBkc, I encourage you to do your research and weigh the pros and cons.